Why do we yawn when we see someone else yawn? It's called contagious yawning, and scientists think it's linked to empathy. When you see someone yawn, mirror neurons in your brain fire, same ones that activate when you do an action yourself. This is your brain unconsciously mimicking the person, which is part of how humans bond and sync up socially. It's also why yawns are more contagious between people who are close to each other, family, friends, than strangers. Comment down if this happens with you.